Translational medicine is an exciting field that aims to bridge the gap between laboratory research and patient care. It's all about taking discoveries made in the lab and turning them into real-world treatments, diagnostics, and preventive strategies that benefit patients. This approach brings together scientists, clinicians, and even patients themselves to ensure that new knowledge leads to tangible improvements in health. By focusing on collaboration and practical application, translational medicine accelerates the journey from scientific breakthrough to bedside care, making sure that innovations don't just stay in journals but actually reach those who need them most. Phrase bench to bedside perfectly captures the essence of translational medicine. It refers to the process of moving discoveries from basic laboratory research, the bench, into clinical practice, the bedside. This journey involves multiple steps, including preclinical studies, clinical trials, and regulatory approvals. Each phase is crucial, ensuring that new treatments are both safe and effective before reaching patients. The ultimate goal is to shorten the time it takes for scientific advances to improve patient outcomes, making healthcare more responsive and innovative. Translational medicine matters because it addresses a common problem in healthcare: the slow pace at which new discoveries become available to patients. By focusing on collaboration and practical application, this field ensures that promising research doesn't get stuck in the lab. Instead, it's actively developed into new drugs, therapies, and diagnostic tools. This approach not only speeds up innovation but also helps tailor treatments to individual patient needs, ultimately leading to better health outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. Translational medicine is a team effort. It brings together a diverse group of professionals, including biomedical researchers, clinicians, regulatory experts, and even patients. Each member plays a unique role. Researchers discover new mechanisms and targets, clinicians design and conduct trials, and regulatory experts ensure safety and compliance. Patients also contribute by participating in studies and sharing their experiences. This collaborative approach is essential for moving ideas from the lab into real-world healthcare settings. Biomedical research forms the foundation of translational medicine. Scientists in the lab investigate the underlying causes of diseases, identify potential drug targets, and develop new diagnostic tools. Their discoveries are the starting point for translational efforts, providing the raw material that will eventually be transformed into treatments. Without this fundamental research, there would be no innovations to translate into clinical practice. Once a promising discovery is made in the lab, it must be tested in clinical trials. These carefully designed studies involve real patients and are essential for determining whether a new treatment is safe and effective. Clinical trials are conducted in phases, starting with small groups and gradually expanding. The results guide decisions about whether a new therapy should be approved for wider use. This step is critical for ensuring that only the best and safest innovations reach the public. Before a new treatment can be widely used, it must pass through rigorous regulatory review. Agencies like the FDA or EMA evaluate the evidence from clinical trials to ensure that the therapy is both safe and effective. This process protects patients and maintains public trust in the healthcare system. Regulatory experts work closely with researchers and clinicians to navigate this complex landscape, helping promising innovations reach the market without unnecessary delay. One of the most exciting aspects of translational medicine is its focus on personalized medicine. By understanding the genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that influence health, researchers can develop treatments tailored to individual patients. This approach increases the chances of success and reduces the risk of side effects. Translational medicine is helping to make personalized care a reality, moving away from one-size-fits-all solution. Translational medicine isn't just about new drugs, it also includes diagnostics. Advances in laboratory research have led to the development of more accurate and faster tests for diseases. These diagnostics help doctors make better decisions and catch illnesses earlier, improving patient outcomes. The translation of diagnostic tools from research to clinical use is a key part of modern healthcare innovation. Prevention is a major focus of translational medicine. By translating research into practical strategies, healthcare providers can help people avoid illness in the first place. This includes vaccines, lifestyle recommendations, and screening programs. Preventive approaches not only improve individual health but also reduce the overall burden on healthcare systems, making care more sustainable and cost-effective. Technology plays a vital role in translational medicine. From advanced imaging to artificial intelligence, new tools are helping researchers and clinicians gather and analyze data more efficiently. These technologies speed up the translation process, making it easier to identify promising treatments and monitor patient outcomes. As technology continues to evolve, its impact on translational medicine will only grow. Translational medicine thrives on collaboration. It brings together experts from biology, chemistry, engineering, computer science, and more. By combining different perspectives and skill sets, teams can solve complex problems and develop innovative solutions. This interdisciplinary approach is one of the key reasons why translational medicine is so effective at turning ideas into real-world impact. Patients are at the heart of translational medicine. Their needs, experiences, and feedback guide research priorities and help shape new treatments. By involving patients in the research process, scientists and clinicians can ensure that innovations address real-world challenges. This patient-centered approach leads to more relevant and effective healthcare solutions. Despite its promise, translational medicine faces several challenges. These include funding limitations, regulatory hurdles, and the complexity of moving discoveries from the lab to the clinic. Overcoming these barriers requires persistence, creativity, and strong partnerships. By working together, stakeholders can find solutions and keep the translation process moving forward. There are many inspiring examples of translational medicine in action. From life-saving cancer therapies to groundbreaking vaccines, these success stories show the power of turning research into real-world solutions. Each achievement represents years of hard work, collaboration, and dedication from countless individuals. These stories inspire future efforts and highlight the impact of translational medicine on global health. Looking ahead, translational medicine is poised to become even more influential. Advances in genomics, data science, and personalized medicine will continue to drive innovation. As new technologies emerge, the pace of translation will accelerate, bringing more effective treatments to patients faster than ever before. The future holds great promise for both researchers and patients alike. Education is key to the success of translational medicine. Training programs for scientists, clinicians, and other professionals help build the skills needed to navigate the complex translation process. These programs emphasize teamwork, communication, and problem-solving, ensuring that the next generation is prepared to continue advancing the field. Translational medicine isn't limited to one country or region. Its impact is felt around the world as discoveries and innovations are shared across borders. International collaboration helps address global health challenges, from infectious diseases to chronic conditions. By working together, countries can accelerate progress and improve health outcomes for everyone. Ethical considerations are central to translational medicine. Researchers and clinicians must ensure that studies are conducted responsibly, with respect for patient rights and well-being. Informed consent, data privacy, and transparency are all critical. By upholding high ethical standards, the field maintains public trust and ensures that progress benefits everyone fairly. Securing funding is a major challenge in translational medicine. Research and development are expensive, and moving discoveries from lab to clinic requires significant investment. Governments, private companies, and philanthropic organizations all play a role in supporting this work. Sustainable funding models are essential for maintaining momentum and ensuring that promising ideas can reach patients. Data is the lifeblood of translational medicine. From genetic information to clinical trial results, data helps researchers identify patterns, predict outcomes, and make informed decisions. Advances in data science and bioinformatics are making it easier to analyze large datasets, accelerating the translation process and improving the precision of new treatments. Public-private partnerships are a driving force in translational medicine. By combining the resources and expertise of government agencies, academic institutions, and private companies, these collaborations can tackle big challenges more effectively. Such partnerships help share risks, pool funding, and accelerate the development of new therapies and diagnostics. Cancer research is one of the most active areas in translational medicine. Breakthroughs in understanding tumor biology have led to targeted therapies, immunotherapies, and personalized treatment plans. Translational efforts in oncology are saving lives and offering hope to patients who previously had limited options. Translational medicine has played a crucial role in fighting infectious diseases. From the rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines to new antiviral drugs, the field has demonstrated its ability to respond quickly to global health threats. These successes highlight the importance of ongoing research and collaboration. Chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and asthma are major health challenges worldwide. Translational medicine is helping develop better treatments and management strategies for these conditions. By translating research into practical solutions, patients can enjoy better quality of life and improved long-term outcomes. Rare diseases often lack effective treatments due to limited research and small patient populations. Translational medicine is changing that by encouraging the development of orphan drugs, medications designed for rare conditions. These efforts are bringing hope to patients and families who have long been overlooked. Children have unique healthcare needs, and translational medicine is helping to address them. By focusing on pediatric research, scientists are developing safer and more effective treatments for young patients. This work ensures that children benefit from the latest advances in medicine just like adults. Neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease are complex and challenging to treat. Translational medicine is making progress by turning laboratory discoveries into new therapies and diagnostic tools. These advances offer hope for patients and families affected by neurological conditions. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide. Translational medicine is driving innovation in cardiovascular care, from new drugs to advanced surgical techniques. By translating research into practice, healthcare providers can offer better prevention, diagnosis, and treatment options for heart patients. Translational medicine is also making strides in immunology. By understanding the immune system's role in health and disease, researchers are developing new treatments for autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. These advances are improving lives and expanding our knowledge of the body's defenses. Mental health is an area where translational medicine is making a difference. By translating research into new therapies and interventions, the field is helping to address conditions like depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. These efforts are reducing stigma and improving access to effective mental health care. Digital health technologies, including telemedicine, are transforming the way care is delivered. Translational medicine is leveraging these tools to reach more patients, collect data remotely, and provide personalized support. This digital shift is making healthcare more accessible and efficient for everyone. Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming a powerful tool in translational medicine. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and even predict treatment outcomes. By integrating AI into research and clinical practice, the translation process becomes faster and more precise, benefiting both patients and providers. Biomarkers are measurable indicators of health or disease, and they play a crucial role in translational medicine. By identifying and validating biomarkers, researchers can develop more targeted therapies and monitor treatment effectiveness. This approach leads to more personalized and successful patient care. Gene therapy is one of the most promising areas in translational medicine. By correcting or replacing faulty genes, scientists can treat or even cure certain genetic disorders. These breakthroughs are offering hope to patients with conditions that were once considered untreatable. Stem cell research is another exciting frontier in translational medicine. By harnessing the power of stem cells, scientists are developing new treatments for injuries, degenerative diseases, and more. Translating these discoveries into clinical practice could revolutionize medicine in the years to come. Pharmacogenomics studies how genes affect a person's response to drugs. Translational medicine uses this knowledge to develop safer and more effective medications. By tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles, healthcare providers can minimize side effects and maximize benefits. Big data is transforming healthcare by enabling the analysis of massive datasets. Translational medicine relies on big data to identify trends, predict outcomes, and personalize care. The integration of big data analytics is making the translation process more efficient and effective. Mobile health apps are empowering patients to take control of their health. Translational medicine is leveraging these tools to collect real-time data, monitor symptoms, and provide personalized feedback. This digital approach is making healthcare more interactive and patient-centered. Wearable devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers are becoming valuable tools in translational medicine. They provide continuous health monitoring, helping researchers and clinicians gather data outside the clinic. This information can be used to develop better treatments and preventive strategies. Patient registries collect information about individuals with specific diseases or conditions. Translational medicine uses these databases to track outcomes, identify trends, and support research. Registries are essential for understanding rare diseases and evaluating new treatments over time. Open science and data sharing are accelerating progress in translational medicine. By making research findings and datasets available to the wider community, scientists can collaborate more effectively and avoid duplicating efforts. This transparency speeds up discovery and benefits patients worldwide. Engaging communities is vital for successful translational medicine. By involving patients, families, and local organizations, researchers can better understand health needs and design more effective interventions. Community engagement builds trust and ensures that new solutions are relevant and accessible. Policy and advocacy play important roles in translational medicine. By shaping regulations, funding priorities, and public awareness, advocates help create an environment where innovation can thrive. Effective policies ensure that new treatments are accessible, affordable, and aligned with public health goals. Translational medicine is transforming healthcare by turning scientific discoveries into real-world solutions. Through collaboration, innovation, and a patient-centered approach, it's making treatments more effective, diagnostics more accurate, and prevention more proactive. As the field continues to evolve, its impact on global health will only grow, offering hope and better outcomes for patients everywhere.